What up, guys and gals? Man, I figured I'd go live for just a little bit. Watching this market just continue to tank, and seeing some news drop by the Celsius network. They tweeted just a little bit ago saying Celsius network is pausing all withdrawals, swap, and transfers between accounts. Acting as in the interest of our community is our top priority. Our operations continue, and we will continue to share information with the community. More info here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Yeah, Celsius is taking the biggest beating of everything that I'm seeing for today. It's down, let's see here. It's down 48% on the day. Look at the 7-day chart here. It was at 77 cents a week ago, and now it's sitting at a little bit under 19 cents. All-time high went all the way up to 801, I believe. And that was June of 2021 when it was at its all-time high. But yeah, that's not good news for the Celsius network. The thing that gets me though is they pause withdrawal, they pause trading basically, right? So isn't that the whole point of getting into decentralized finance in a DeFi space, into crypto, is to get away from regulations and everything? So like, doesn't that kind of defeat the whole purpose of Celsius being in DeFi if they just halt trading when they feel they need to? I mean, I'm sure it might help save the project, possibly by halting it, I guess, so that all the liquidity doesn't get drained out of it from people panicking. But it just kind of seems like it defeats the purpose of DeFi when they just can halt trading whenever they want to. But honestly, I mean, with it being 55% or 50% down on the day, it was up to 55% down just a little while ago. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. You go into bear markets, and not every project's going to make it through a bear market. Unfortunately, the bear markets will absolutely destroy many projects. And from seeing, this 50% drop just today, I'm going to switch over to the hour chart in a little bit. I'll pull it open on another tab. But yeah, I feel bad for Celsius investors. I feel that they may be they're probably having flashbacks to what just happened to Luna, recently. Seeing a huge drop in price, as quickly as it did today. And again, not all projects are going to make it through bear market. So, I hope they can pull this together and make it work, but it's not looking good. That's not looking good at all. So I figured I'd just go live and talk about this for a minute and just kind of cover, just the overall crypto market and everything that's happening right now. Yeah, Shannon, what's up, man? Yeah, market is an absolute disaster. Incognito. Yeah, that's bad, man. Realism Trip, what's up, brother? Okay. Thank you for going live to explain this. People need someone to listen to in these times. Good luck to all. Yeah, absolutely, man. You're welcome. I'm not the greatest technical analysis guy, but I wanted to go live just to kind of talk about the market and talk about Celsius a little bit here, because, man, I mean, 50% down on the day, they halted trading. I really think the overall crypto market is probably having serious flashbacks on what just happened to Luna and seeing this happen to Celsius. Basically, they halted, they paused trading just to try and Hail Mary save it, I feel like, in my opinion, because if they wouldn't have halted it, The panic is set in the crypto market, and the panic hit hard with Celsius. So I feel if they didn't pause the trading, um, all the liquidity would got drained out. That's just my opinion, because people were probably selling. Obviously, we're selling out like a bat out of hell, and the liquidity would have been history if they allowed trading to continue. But I just feel like, this is decentralized finance. I don't know how they can consider themselves a decentralized project if they can just halt trading whenever they want. I mean, I understand why they're doing it, but it just kind of feels like, when projects do this, when they halt it, or I've seen platforms do, Robinhood did it with I can't remember which project it was, Dogecoin or something maybe. Um, and just when the market got volatile. So it's like, okay, this is decentralized finance, but when things get too volatile, then we're going to just halt trading if we want to, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of being decentralized. That's just my thought. King Vessel, how's it going, brother? Hope you're doing well. Luna Part 2. Yeah, it feels like it, doesn't it? No one wants to be left holding the bag. So when they see that, they are out. Absolutely. Absolutely. So glad I never trusted Celsius. Have an account, but never deposit. Same here, Incognito. I've been watching it for quite some time, man. Been watching it since last year, for sure, last year sometime. And just never had the conviction to get into it, thank God. But I mean, there's a lot of people that are absolutely freaking out right now. I'm going to pull open another chart. Hold on one second. I'm going to see if I can pull it open so I can get the hour chart. Y'all give me 1 second. Guys, thanks for joining me. This is kind of a last. I wasn't planning on going live tonight. I just finished recording a video, and then just seeing the market absolutely tanking, and then this happened to Celsius. I'm like, man, I'm gonna go live and cover this for a little bit, just talk about it, because I'm sure people are absolutely panicking. Oh, let's see here. Sorry, guys, give me 1 second here. I'm pulling open a chart on my other screen here. Woo. I've just got the Celsius Ethereum pair pulled up here, so we just kind of look at this. Okay, I'm on the 4-hour chart. We'll zoom in, go down to the hour chart. But I mean, look at that. Even on the 4-hour chart, though, Jesus Christ. I mean, May 6th. I'm sorry, May 5th, May 6th. It was around $2.20, and it just absolutely plummeted. Look at that. Look at that sell-off volume. That was on May the 12th. May the 12th. It dropped down to 48 cents. And it's just been kind of consolidating. And now it just absolutely bottomed out. Well, not completely bottomed out, but damn near. Look at that sell pressure. Look at the volume. That bar is all the way up to here with everybody just in the past hour. Yeah, basically the past hour, 45 minutes has been selling off. So many I would love to buy, but I don't know where the bottom. Exactly, man. I know. Isn't that crazy, Shaman? Should we buy the dip? Right? I'm not buying nothing on, especially not Celsius. I mean, they paused trading, bro. They halted. You can't transfer it or nothing. Look at that. They paused withdrawals, swap, and transfers between accounts. I feel like that's a Hail Mary trying to pull her together, man. trying to pull her together. But they can pause it for as long as they want to. Especially if the market continues going down more, like I'm talking like the next day or two continues dropping. I mean, what are they going to do? They're just going to just halt trading for until everything stops bleeding. You know what I mean? They're going to have to resume trading at some point with Celsius. And if the market's continuing to drop more, the next 24, 48 hours, and they resume trading, man, whoever else is left in Celsius that didn't just sell out in the past hour is going to absolutely obliterate this chart the rest of the way down. That's just my personal opinion. There's a couple of articles. I need to pull the other one open. I seen kind of explaining a little bit more about what Celsius is doing and their decision on halting and all that. So I'll pull that open in a second. Guys, I appreciate you jumping in here, though. If you don't mind, hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already. Let's get the old algorithms pumped up, man. I decided to come on here. It's almost 11 p.m. here, but I just wanted to come on and cover this a little bit. And, that way if people have questions or just freaking out over the market and Celsius, we're here, man. We're here. We're not going anywhere. The market sucks. There's always bear markets and there's always bull markets. Just got to weather through the storm. I don't know if Celsius is going to weather through the storm, to be honest with you. It's looking like another Luna, in my opinion. But I'm just curious to how long they're going to have the trading halted for. You know what I mean? Let me go down. I'm actually going to drop it down to the 1 minute. We'll get down to the real nitty gritty. I'm just trying to see where okay. I don't like how the 1 minute chart looks. I'll go into the 5 minute maybe. There we go. So yeah, I mean, you can see right there, even it was 37 to 39 cents. And then it dropped all the way down. Let's see here. I'm looking from a distance. Sorry, guys. But it actually dropped down all the way to 8 cents, 8.5 cents. It's slowly climbing back up. It's a little over 25 cents now. What's up, DNA? How's it going, man? Didn't know you were on. Yeah, I decided to go on last minute here. I just seen the chart. The chart's all tanking, and then I heard this news about Celsius Network halting trading. So I'm like, man, I'm going to go on and talk about it for a little bit. On a different note, PSA, anyone following Tammy Ski, beware, there's a fake account going around. Oh, is there really? I'll have to make note of that. Fifth Survivor, how's it going, Fifth Survivor? Appreciate you joining, man. My neighbor just got arrested. He lost everything now. He was drinking, beat his wife up, screaming F Bitcoin as police took him away. LOL. Are you serious? Like that literally happened? Dude, they probably just lost whatever little bit of money they did have left. That's sad, man. That's sad. I just want my money back. I don't care if it takes a few weeks, months. I just want reassurance my funds are safe and available for withdrawal in the future. Are you talking about Disciples of Satoshi? How's it going? Thanks for joining, man. I appreciate it. Are you talking about Celsius? I'm imagining you have a bag of Celsius you're holding an investment on. Yeah, I don't like this fact that a project in decentralized finance is it just halts trading because of volatility. I mean, I understand it, but at the same time, it's like, dude, like everybody's money's locked up and everybody's panicking. The market's tanking. Celsius is down 50%, and they can't even access their money in Celsius. That's crazy. Has anyone seen the Clear Cryptos website? They put some information out. Hey, MK, how's it going, man? I have not. I have not. I'll definitely. I need to make note of that. I'll check that out, man. Appreciate the info, bro. Ahoy, matey. How's it going, Captain's Channel? Second time you're in the chats tonight, huh? Second stream here. I appreciate it, brother. Just like 5 minutes ago. Wow, that's crazy, Fifth Survivor. That is crazy. It's crazy, but it's sad though, man. Like they probably had their whatever life savings they had stuck into crypto, and they just lost it. I tweeted it out, scam Tammy. Class Celsius. Free my grandma. How's it going? Free my grandma. Hope you're doing well, man. Funds are on. Oh wow, that's crazy, man. Bro, I'm sorry. That's happening, man. Like just the market sucks, but seeing this happen with Celsius that's brutal, man. BTC and gotcha, man. Classic Celsius. You know, I've had Celsius on my radar for quite some time, man. Damn, it's crazy. Somewhat hilarious at the same time. Yeah, it is. It's both. Why take it out on his wife? That's brutal. Yeah. Dude probably just lost his mind, man. Luna Celsius. Yeah. Guy probably threw so much in Bitcoin, the wife was pissed. Yeah, probably. And then just watch it all disappear. But BTC at 31K a few weeks ago. I don't know what to do now. Maxim, how's it going, man? I hope you're surviving this bear market. Well, the one thing I can say is that, you know, there's always a recovery, man. It's not financial advice, but I personally would not sweat it. Bitcoin will go back up. You know what I mean? It will go back up. When is the question? But you know, as far down as it is now, it could go down further. But you know, you're not losing money until you sell. You know what I mean? You're not losing money until you sell. So I would just, especially with Bitcoin, that's, I mean, me personally, down on Bitcoin, I'm not even thinking about selling it. It'll come back. It'll come back eventually. What's crazy is he yellow like 10K into RDBX on Friday. I'll probably be in jail for a while. And oh my God. That's crazy. Yeah. What a nightmare, Fifth Survivor. Crypto AI in the building. How's it going, man? Swift Kick. How's it going, Swift Kick? Appreciate you joining the chats here. Celsius says hodl. Yeah, I'm sure they do. That you really don't have any other choice other than to hodl with everything halted. You know what I mean? Nature of the beast, crypto invest and win or lose, keep breathing. Exactly, Tomas. That's exactly right, man. Exactly right. Jeremy, how's it going, brother? Hedge funds at it again, taking all the liquidity out of the market to keep their short positions going. Crooked bastards. Dude, that's about exactly right. Hit the nail right on the head, man. That's really how it feels, doesn't it? Obsessed about anything that has a yield above 2 to 3%. Crypto is one thing, but making loans is a whole different. Yeah, I feel you on that, man. I know there's, you know, anything, you know, some of them are even 10% to 20%. It's like, man, it's suspicious on returns that high because it just doesn't seem like it's sustainable for a length of time. You know what I mean? Guys, I appreciate everybody being in here, man. Just kind of last minute, figured I'd throw a stream up real quick and just talk about Celsius and just, you know, just the market and kind of get some people's thoughts on, you know, Celsius halting trading and everything. That's pretty crazy, man. Shaman says to the survivor that was probably a Rust incognito piss GC dropping and cashing Satama. Watch the captain's channel for the news, I guess. His Saitama crypto AI probably crashed. Dude, that's hilarious, Fiverr. That's a good one, man. That's a good one, coming in with the heat right off the bat. Don't even say hello, just jump in and just slay it. People are selling now, being down, it'll be a loss. The lower it goes, the more people will start buying again. Exactly, Shannon. Yep. Yep. I mean, basically everybody's down on their investments. I mean, and it's not a loss until you sell. If it's something that you have conviction in and you believe in long term, there's no choice but to hold it at this point. You know what I mean? And the market will turn around. There's always a bear market, and again, there's always a bull market. So it may be some time, but it will go back up eventually. Yeah, Wall Street's wrecking crypto. I'm getting behind on the chats here. Bitcoin 2020 in the house. How's it going, Bitcoin? Hope you're doing well, man. Welcome back to the channel, brother or sister. Hope you're doing well, man. I like your channel, bro. It's chill here. I'm a sub. Thumbs up and promote it in my group. Man, thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, I just keep it real, man. I've got a newer channel, but cover a little bit of everything crypto. We'll have some just chill live streams, have some AMAs sometimes. I drop videos about projects in the DeFi space from time to time. But yeah, just keep it real, man. I just try and talk about it for exactly what it is, and get people's opinion on everything. The next Terra, it sure feels like it. Captain's Bitcoin 2020. Talking about Shelton. We've been talking about this for a while. We were possibly on the way to the worst recession in history, real black swan event. Look at the bright side. Look how affordable crypto is right now. Yeah, I agree, Jeremy. I know. I've been feeling it. I'm here in Dallas Fort Worth, Texas, and I mean you can see the panic, or just the everything kind of starting to slow down, even economy wise. Things are slowing down, work's slowing down. Real estate has slowed down significantly, man. I mean, I was talking to a friend the other day, and in DFW, it's like one of the fastest growing areas in the nation. And up until even 6 months ago, like houses, man, they weren't listed for more than a day, and they were sold here. There's more people moving here than there was houses available. Houses were selling for like 50 to 60,000 over asking price. There's like bidding wars on houses. And right now, like there's some houses for sale in my neighborhood. There's one on my street that's been for sale for probably at least 2 or 3 months now. And I believe it's sitting vacant. It's crazy. You can definitely tell there's a change in the market and everything. If I ever said evening all, evening, sir. Hope Alaska's treating you well, bud. Celsius cut sells because they can't cover them. It's going to crash the whole crypto market. Yeah, SwiftKick. That's what's happening. They had to halt trading because everybody was panicking and dumping it, and they'd have ran out of liquidity, man. They literally would have ran out of money to fill sell orders. So I just don't know what's going to happen when they resume trading. And the market's still down. I mean, I feel like whoever is in it right now that's panicking, that can't do anything with their money, is going to sell the shit out of it when they resume trading. So I said it at the beginning of the stream, not every project's going to make it through a crypto winter, through a bear market. And it's unfortunate, but it's the truth. And it doesn't matter if it's a small project or a large project. Obviously, Luna just proved that point a couple weeks ago. And I mean, it's hard to say if this is going to recover. It really is. This could Celsius could be in big trouble right now, or they are in big trouble right now, reporting the scams on YouTube now to keep people from losing more money, upvoting the good stuff like this. I appreciate it, man. It seriously, okay. Um, I really appreciate it, man. Yeah, just trying to keep it real. I've got a circle of good friends I've accumulated over some time in the crypto space and in YouTube and Twitter. Um, and so there's a circle of us YouTubers that kind of band together, and we're constantly growing. Finding more YouTubers, just more community, just trying to grow the space together. A good space that's not, shilling and pumping BS. You know what I mean? So there's a whole group of us that really try and just shoot it straight and keep it honest. You know what I mean? And obviously it's crypto, so I mean, not everything goes the way we plan it to. So I cover projects, in DeFi space and stuff, and I mean, you never know if something bad happens and it goes under or something like that. But it's crypto, it's investing, so just try and keep it honest and keep it real, man. ETH 700, BTC 18, Sol 14, AVAX 4. Man, yeah, that's a bold prediction, but dude, it might not be far off from the truth, man. It might not be far off from the truth at all. We have a green wall in Volt. Is there really? There's one cryptocurrency that has a green wall right now. One of my wife's coworkers is moving out of state also, and she just bought a house for over asking price. It's like, ouch, because we know what's coming. Hopefully she likes it there. Yeah, no kidding, man. No kidding. Is the Fed spreading bad news, or are we just heading to the real bottom? I just wake up in the new week. I'm a bro, not a sister. All right, man. It's now I think it's the Fed's contributed their share to panic in the market, obviously, but I mean, just like today or the past couple of days, no, it's literally just the market really just heading to a bottom, man. I really think it is. It's unfortunate, but like I said a couple times now, you don't lose unless you sell in the market right now, which I don't give financial advice whatsoever, but a lot of people are down on their investments. I'm down on all my investments, pretty much almost all of them. And I try to invest in projects I have conviction in and believe in long term, so I just know that the market will turn around eventually, you know what I mean? So I'm not worried a bit about that part of it. Tornado warning, baby. It's NATO Nation. Those of y'all that don't know, the community here, we chose the name NATO Nation, so Texas Tornado Channel, NATO Nation kind of goes together. If ETH reaches $700, I will sell my kidney to buy all I can. Dude, I'm right there with you, man. I'll sell everything, man. Sell everything. Wouldn't that be crazy? Just knowing the potential Ethereum has and the price that it's been in the past, bro. See, this is the time that in bear markets like this, though, this is the time that a lot of smart investors pick the right times to get into investments, man, and those are the people that make the real money because they're in down at towards the bottom. If Celsius knows what will happen when they resume withdrawals, why resume at all? Every hour its pause is devastating. Yeah, that's how I feel, Brian. That's exactly how I feel, man. I just don't get the whole pause thing when this is supposed to be decentralized finance. You know what I mean? But I get why they did it. But at the same time, it's like, bro, just let it run its course. Either it's going to make it or it's not. You know what I mean? It's $4,000 not that long ago. Yep, it sure was, man. So it's $700. That's a heck of a return going back to 4K. Coma is up 19.5% too. Wow. I've been hearing a lot of people talking about that project. That's pretty new project, isn't it? Like within the past week or so. I start to watch the price to mine, and if miners sell due to not being able to recoup costs. That's a good idea. Yeah. Start watching the miners, Celsius miners. Yeah, that would be another sign for what's going to happen with it. That's a great idea, man. ETH had a death cross in the charts for a while, possibly 8 to 700, very possible. Yeah, I was watching another channel earlier. They're talking about the Ethereum death cross. It is, man, it's possible. Seeing what's going on in the crypto space, and like after what just happened to Luna and everything, bro, anything's possible. Anything's possible nowadays. 12 days. Okay, almost 2 weeks. Decentraland was up 3. Wow, really? Decentraland was up a little bit. What do you guys think about Decentraland? You think you think long term it'll be a top 5 metaverse leader at least? Yeah, let's go back over to this though. I'm gonna discuss Celsius here again for a minute. Yeah, I thought I had it open on here. I was trying to find this other article I wanted to open up for y'all. I don't see it right this second though. Well, before we jump into the Celsius article, I'm just going to kind of look at the overall market here. Let me refresh this to make sure it's accurate. It's not hard to make real money outside of hitting big on shitcoins unless you're putting big money in. Some markets like now is where us little people can make money and not be getting raw. Exactly. Yeah. Because, if you can afford to get in, if you have money, and prices are down so low, I mean, it's inevitable. It's only a matter of time and you're going to make some money on it. You know what I mean? Meta going to take all metaverse over, sadly. It's very possible, man. They're super quiet about what all they're doing. I mean, they might be talking about it. I don't hear much about it though, but they're probably just going to come in and hit a grand slam right out of the park as soon as they announce what they're doing and just blow everybody else out of the water. Can Tether be far behind? Tether shouldn't move. It shouldn't move. I'll look at it here in a sec. It should be fine. Should be. That's the key word. So yeah, Bitcoin, it came up just a hair now. So it's 25,841, 17% down 7 days. 6.19% down on the day. Ethereum's at 1371. And it's down 27% on 7 days. That's big. Crocoin General back in the house, man. How's it going, bro? Appreciate you joining, man. Markets will go back up by end of year, I think. It's possible, man. Some people are saying this fall, but man, if the U.S. goes into a true recession, man, dude, it could take time. I mean, it could take a couple of years for the damn market to rebound, but I mean, I'm just talking. I'm not saying that I think that's what's going to happen for sure, but man, it's just not looking good for everything, economy, just everything, the world market. Yeah, Tether's sitting strong still at 99.9989. So USDC seems very solid also. That's what I've been transferring. When I go into stablecoin, I've been transferring to or exchanging for USDC. Seems to be a solid option for a stable coin. See, Cardano's at 48 cents. Solana's at 29. Let's see here. Avalanche is at 1646. Dang, it's down almost 38% on the week, man. Wow. What was I looking at earlier? Kronos is at 1326. It's a little under 13.5 cents. What else we got here? Chainlink 608. Yeah, there's some big time losses right now. Near Protocol 357. I've been watching that project kind of closely for a while now. I might have to start checking into it a little bit more and looking for an entry on it. 6.41% down on the day. But the biggest loser for the day right now is Celsius, man. Tezos is down 24%. That's brutal. It's a brutal market. Let me see here. I'm going to get that Celsius. If you guys weren't in here earlier, I was kind of started I just want to do a quick little stream here, just talking about Celsius and just the overall market for a minute. Just kind of a last minute decision to go live. So, hey, if y'all don't mind, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe too. If you like the content, like what I'm doing here, I just keep pretty chill streams. Hit that subscribe button, but definitely hit the like button. Helps see all the algorithms. Consistently trying to grow the channel, man. I'm on here every day, pretty much, talking about something or other in the crypto space. Yeah, Celsius, they paused all withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts. Basically, what was happening is it was dumping so hard that they would have ran out of liquidity from people selling if they didn't halt trading, which is absolutely insane. But they may be in big trouble, or I think they are in big trouble. I don't know what's going to happen for sure. Tether fell some for what I heard. Sounds like USDT or whatever is the only safe outside of BUSD. Yeah, BUSD is pretty solid too. And then I like USDC. That's true. Maybe 23, 24. Yeah, it could be, man. It could be an extended period of time. ETC support at 1519. Nice bounce on 512 and today bounced up. Gotcha. So it's right at a support level. I'm not the best technical analysis guy yet. I'm learning a lot, but I wonder does anybody know kind of what the next support level is on Ethereum right now? On just regular Ethereum. Next halving 2024 at the earliest. Real estate crashing by end of year will take down the market below 90% of their all-time high. Hey, Jose, how's it going, man? Appreciate you joining. Yeah, that's exactly how I feel, man. The housing market's usually like the last thing to tank when there's a recession, from what I understand and just from stuff I've read. So it takes the longest for it to tank. So, and it is definitely on a path towards tanking. Here in Texas, I can definitely tell the housing market's going to be in trouble. Shiba dropped to 0. Yeah, it's down quite a bit. It's down quite a bit. Crypto golfer in the house. How's it going, man? The crazy thing is it's still so early and everything is already this bad. A lot more hurt to come, unfortunately. Yeah, I think so, man. A lot of people think, especially altcoins, meme coins, stuff like that when they're down like 80, 90%, like a lot of them have been recently, that the bottom can't be much lower, but it can be a hell of a lot lower. I mean, they could go down another 80 or 90% from where they're at now. You know what I mean? So it's tough, man. Investing's stressful. It's super stressful, especially if you're people that are investing more money than they should to be able to survive. You know what I mean? It's a tough spot. Celsius is bigger rug than Luna. It could quite be, Chris. It's not looking good with them halting trading. God, anybody who's invested in that, I don't know how many of y'all are invested in the Celsius network. I would be absolutely freaking out not to be able to access my money right now. Absolutely freaking out. At least we know that Bitcoin isn't a hedge against inflation. Yep, that is very true. Aviator, what's up, man? Just woke up to this bloody market. She's brutal, man. Celsius is down 50 something percent. They halted trading because they're about to go belly up, it looks like. I was able to get out of Celsius this morning. Did you really? Sovereign Soul, you got out this morning, huh? Did you take a loss on it or did you come out okay? Thank God you got out, man. I feel for people that are in it right now. I'd be absolutely panicking if I couldn't access my money. True, but what about hyperinflation during a transition of other currencies? Yeah, that's always possible too, Jose. It's possible. You can thank Wall Street once again for screwing up the country. Oh, and the government and Fed printing and spending $90 trillion. No biggie. Yep, I agree, man. I agree with you. Wall Street's really controlling it. They're controlling crypto. All the whales, the big money are absolutely controlling what's happening with it to an extent anyway. Nuns in the house. None. I was literally prepping to move a lot of coin to Celsius to borrow against it. My account was waiting approval. I guess I got lucky by their incompetence. Wow. That's crazy, None. Damn. Yep. Now that you mention it, because I remember hearing about that not too long ago about Celsius. You could borrow against your Celsius. I guess I don't know if it was with their wallet or something. It was real simple. I seen it on another YouTube channel. Actually, the YouTuber did borrow against it. I bet he's freaking out right now. Is news about Celsius sending 89 million in BTC to FTX true? I don't know, Wes Armstrong. Let me. I'm just gonna pull it up on my other screen here real quick. That's interesting. Kind of pulling the same type of thing that Luna was doing, sending a bunch of money to another account. Let's see, Celsius. Trying to see if I can see anything about it here. Yeah, let's see. I got an article here from Cointelegraph. Hold on one second. It says Celsius Exodus, $320 million in crypto sent to FTX. User withdrawals paused. Celsius has been moving more than $250 million worth of funds from Aave into the FTX exchange for reasons not specified, in addition to suspending withdrawal for users. That's not good. That's definitely not a good sign. Crypto staking and lending platform Celsius may be dealing with its rumored liquidity crisis by unstaking $247 million worth of wrapped Bitcoin from Aave and sending it to FTX. That's crazy. 1303.41 roughly for Bitcoin or for ETH. Gotcha. So if it breaks through that, then it's going to go quite a bit lower. I agree. We won't see bottom for a few months. It's going to clean all shit coins, my opinion. Shit will explode later. Yeah, man, a lot of the shitcoin space is going to be done for now. Absolutely done for. Dang, C Sandbox is at 90 cents. Really? Wow, that's cheap. That's cheap. You think Celsius can turn this around? How's it going, King? Man, I don't know. I don't know that they can. Um, especially after seeing this, that they, unstake and send a bunch of money over to FTX and stuff. That's really crazy. And then halted trading. Um, they may be in big trouble, man. They may be in big trouble. I have 13K stuck in Celsius, feeling the pain. Man, that's brutal, Chris. I'm sorry to hear that, man. I really am. I feel for anybody that's invested in it, man. You just never know. I mean, it could be anything. If Luna can do what it did, and then if Celsius ends up, done for, I mean, it could literally happen to any cryptocurrency out there. And unfortunately, there's people going to be invested in it. Can't believe I'm seeing $28. I know. I looked at it twice earlier. I was a couple hours or an hour ago. I was looking at it, I was like, what? $28? That thing was like way the hell up there not too long ago. King Mac, I have 30K stuck. Do you really? Wow. Man, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Evening service rating. Oh, no worries, Crash. I've been chilling today. I had a stream earlier and stuff, a Chrono stream. Those of you that are new in here, hit the like button if you don't mind, please. Just helping pump the old algorithms. But I cover a little bit of everything on the channel. I'm a big Chronos blockchain fan, so I try and cover quite a bit of Chronos too. But cover a little bit of everything. Ethereum projects, BNB. Going to start covering some other blockchains too a little bit, but real big on Chronos. Cover NFT projects and stuff too. So we always just shoot it straight in the chats and on the channel here. Get guests on here sometimes, and we just keep it real, man. Not trying to shill a bunch of shit and or pump a bunch of false information. Just trying to keep it real. No, it was okay. I had USDC in an earn account. Thank God. That's great, man. Check DMTX. Alrighty, sir. Dude, I'm so far behind on the chats now. I'm sorry, guys. This is last minute to even come onto a live stream, and now here we are. I appreciate everybody being here. 3 minutes. Oh, that's cool. I'm checking it out, Shaman. Let that load. Appreciate it, man. Oh, yeah, I'm way behind on the chats now. There's cycles. This cycle is almost over. Perfect time to buy. Bricksta, how's it going, man? Yep, it's it could go lower. I mean, it could go lower, but everybody you just got to go with your own conviction. You know what I mean? But it does feel like a good time to buy. How low you think Solana will go? They always complain about its shutdowns. Yeah, it shuts down, didn't it? Wasn't it down for a few hours 2 weekends ago again for like the 100th time? Man, if they could get that stuff fixed, I feel if they could get that resolved, I feel Solana could really take off, man, because it's a damn good blockchain. I can't remember. I've heard a couple of people saying that were looking at analysis on it, like the thing go down to like 18. I think they were saying maybe $18. Typically, when you see the price of the coin hit price to mine, it will fall more due to miner liquidation because they can't cover the cost of hardware, electricity. Yeah, yep, I've heard that. Okay. Yeah, that would make sense. So if it hits that price, it's still going to end up pushing down more. BTC up 800 in the last hour. It's part of the reason higher utility inflation costs has hurt crypto. Yeah, I believe it. Paid staking rewards on Monday, so it was a tough call to stay for Monday or go today. Glad I left. Man, that's good move, Sovereign. What made you end up leaving? Did you was it starting to dump a little bit, and you just felt the instinct to pull it out, or what was your decision for getting out? Yeah, honestly, not sure, but I'll be slowly buying here and there until next halving. It's a coin I feel will be here next bull run. Um, yeah, that's the thing. Like right now, we could be towards the bottom. It's hard to say. Nobody knows, but just break up your investments. If you got a certain amount of funds allocated for investing, you could always buy a little bit now. It's at this price if you think it's towards the bottom, and you know, start out small, 10-20% of it, and then if it goes down more, then just DCAing on it. That's the way to go. I've learned that because, man, when I first started trading, I just stick all the money into whatever right then and there. Like, didn't even think about, oh, it could go lower. You know what I mean? Cryptos are crashing because they suck. Man, it feels like it, doesn't it, Wolfgang? They just suck right now. I got buy orders on sell at 0.0005. Dude, wouldn't that be something, Rick Washier? Wouldn't that be something? Wow. Dude, that'd be crazy. Celsius Classic soon. It feels like it, Freemason. It feels like it's on another path the same way. So you put in a buy order on Luna super low, on Luna Classic, and nailed it, huh, Rick? Wow. That's badass, man. Probably should have sold, but well. You never know, man, because they're burning Lunacy, the Luna Classic. You know what I mean? You never know. If you're in that cheap, man, I just leave it there, man. Just leave it as a moon bag and see what happens. You really never know what could happen even in the next year or so. You know what I mean? Mainly an options trader in the stock market. I'm increasing my positions in crypto companies, though. Marabita, Nile tomorrow. It's going to be on sale. Oh, really? Yeah. That's interesting. That's cool, though. So you're options trade on stock and just getting into crypto more. I did options trading and all stock trading until probably, I don't know, it's probably end of this or middle of the spring. So a little over a year ago, I really jumped into crypto big time, and I've really transitioned over most of my investing to crypto now, almost all of it. I had 10K in Celsius, but took it out 2 days ago. Dude, that's awesome. Did you feel like it was fixing to dump more? Is that why you pulled out? I have 600 shares of B Big. It's getting ready for the Tide spinoff. That might not be happening now. B Big might hurt tomorrow. Oh, man. It's a gamble, isn't it, Fifth Survivor? It's a gamble. But 200 of Luna Classic, down to $100. Yellow play. Maybe it turns into something like ETH Classic in 10 years. Exactly, Jose. That's the thing. Just throw a little moon bag in it and just forget about it. And you never know what'll happen, man. You think, oh, can cash out from Celsius? I don't think so, Lumo. From what they're saying, all withdrawals are paused, swaps and transfers between accounts. So I think everybody's pretty much stuck with what they have right now and can't really do much of anything. Crypto is down because of me buying Quadrillion. Yep. Heard Solana's NFTs market is causing the outages. Not much they can do right now. Not sure if it's true. That's what I've heard too. I heard it was a lot to do with the NFT end of things, the NFT market. But yeah, they've got to get those outages under control, man. Because Solana has those outages frequently, man. Frequently, and their TPS is insane, and they could definitely be a top project, but they got to get the outages under control. Draws is not going to stop anything, right? Once they start it back again, they're just going to burn the liquidity they just raised because they can't get the ETH staked in the ETH 2.0. Yeah, it's, they withdrawals is not going to stop anything. No, it's not going to stop anything because as soon as they go live again, especially if the market continues to tank more, man, as soon as they go live again, everybody's going to just sell out of it. It's going to be done for, completely done for. Praying for anyone who's still stuck in Celsius. Me too, man. I really feel for people, man. That's a bad spot to be in. I think ETH is cheap. Wait until 2 months when Locked ETH 2.0 will be unlocked and sold. Yeah, I was thinking about that the other day, Jose, because a lot of people's ETH 2.0 is going to come unlocked here in the next couple months. And man, I'm wondering what's going to happen when that happens. That could be, ETH could get real cheap then. Yeah, it's worth holding long-term. Lunacy on my buying for sure. Yep, definitely. Citrus State. ETH started sounding too much like Terra Luna. Concluded a bank run is inevitable. Yeah, the ETH staking thing, man. That the freaking Ethereum family might be in for a hurting ride when all that ETH starts unstaking, man. That could be brutal, especially if our market is down like it is right now or lower. Man, that's scary. Pulled out because I saw those analysis videos and something didn't feel right. Just gut feeling. That's awesome, man. You got to go with those gut instincts, man. Gut instincts are usually pretty damn accurate, man. I removed most of my Celsius assets. However, my BTC transaction was pending for over 3 hours. Went to bed to wake up to a canceled BTC transaction and funds remaining on Celsius. I'm pissed. That sucks, Tuck. Dude, that's brutal, man. That's brutal. I feel for you, man. I really do. That sucks. It's like, what do you do now? There's nothing you can do about it until they resume trading. Shit, just saw your live. Yep, lazy. I decided like last minute, man. I seen the market really tanked off over like an hour ago, and then a news article popped up on my Twitter feed about Kronos, about Celsius Network pausing trading and stuff, pausing withdrawals, and they're down like 55%, man. Not looking good for Celsius, man. When ETH 2.0 comes out, it's going to pump like crazy. Yeah, I think the unstaking is the scary part when everybody's ETH comes unstaked. But yeah, ETH 2.0, I think will definitely pump it. But I never sell ever. I average down or up depending on the situation. I don't have emotions about trading. I day trade. It's a job. I wouldn't enjoy it if I worried all the time. It's just my, yeah, it's exactly right, man. And that's why most people get wrecked in any kind of trading, because a lot of people can't get their emotions out of it. I was wondering what's going to happen to all those protocols for ETH when 2.0 comes out. Will it shut down a lot of them? I don't know what will happen with all the protocols, man. That's a damn good question. Like I never sell when I'm down in terms of shares. Some stop losses on meme plays, but I run a tight spread. Yeah. Yep. That's the way to do it. Keep the emotions out of it, man, and you'll be a lot further ahead money-wise, that's for sure. Pulled everything out on Thursday. I was thinking that I was crazy, but now I'm smart as fuck. Dude, yep. Yeah, a lot of people were pulling stuff out even at a loss right now, figuring it was going to go down more. I pretty much, most of my stuff, I left it. I just left it. It is what it is. Never using Celsius after this. Feel like I dodged a bullet. Yeah, I will never. I've been watching Celsius for a good year. Just keeping an eye on it, just on my list of stuff to watch. I was interested in it, but now this happened. I'm like, man, I am so glad I never bought into it. Do you believe Bitcoin will hit 20K? Yeah, I do. I do. I think Bitcoin will hit, I don't know, 18, somewhere around 18. Right there with you, Freemason. Even if it's only temporary, Celsius will never recover. A good time to short it. Yeah. Yep. Absolutely, Samuel. I appreciate you being in the stream, man. And Silver Stang too. Appreciate you being here, bro. All of y'all, Freemason, Crash Daves, Shaman, Fiverr. I appreciate everybody being here. It means a lot. I was just really started the stream just to kind of cover a little bit of this stuff, man, because people are freaking out. So Figured we could chit chat about it. Yeah, I think Celsius, with this happening, with the big sell off, plus them halting trading, and you can't withdraw or anything. Um, I think it's done for, man. I don't think that they'll be able to recover from that because, dude, I mean, think about like the people in this chat that are invested in Celsius right now. Um, you think they're gonna you think they're gonna trust Celsius after this? You think they're gonna keep their money in Celsius network? You know what I mean? Um, should we kiss our money goodbye in Celsius? Man, it's hard to say, LB. It's hard to say. There is that article from Cointelegraph I'd opened a second ago. Somebody mentioned it in the chat they overheard. Crypto staking and lending platform Celsius may be dealing with its rumored liquidity crisis by they unstaked $247 million worth of wrapped Bitcoin from Aave and sent it to an FTX exchange. This was just announced like tonight, like within the past hour or two, maybe less than that. So $247 million was unstaked and sent to FTX. And then all this happened. It sells off with the market, but more 55%. And then they halt trading. Definitely not a good thing. Probably just said it for Jedi. It's Crash Dave Crypto. CDC is always mentioning Crodix. He can change his channel. Crodix Corner. Yep. That's funny. I just realized that I lost my money again after Luna thing. Dude, that sucks, Andres. I feel for you, man. You just never know with crypto. It's, you know, in the bear market, there's always going to be projects that do not make it through a bear market. You never know which ones they're going to be. Obviously, Luna, and then from the looks of it, Celsius. It's tough, man. Headed to bed, night all. Night Crash. Appreciate you being here, man. Hit me up tomorrow, bro. Give me a call. I'll be around. See, Chris J. Good night. I remember something on the site said something like no lockup necessary. It's funny looking back on it. Yeah. Yep. I wouldn't go back to them, but I don't think they're going to be anything to go back to. No. I mean, with them transferring that much money to FTX today and then 55% drop, halt trading because they'd have ran out of liquidity from people selling. I mean, they halted trading because they didn't have enough liquidity for people selling because they just unstaked $247 million and transferred it to FTX. That is shady as hell. That is shady as hell, man. Celsius need to start playing Powerball. Maybe they can hit numbers and recover. Yeah, they're going to have to, man. Remember almost investing into BitConnect back in the day because of the FOMO. Glad I didn't. Yeah, Freemason. I've heard of a bunch of people. I've known a bunch of people that invested in BitConnect and got absolutely wrecked. But it's just scary, man, because you never know which projects are gonna go under, whether it's just a legitimate, that they just fold, or if it's bad intentions and embezzlement and shit. You know what I mean? If it can happen to Luna, and from the looks of it, it can happen to Celsius. I mean, it can happen to anything, and you just never know. That's why it's good to diversify in your investments. You know what I mean? If you diversify, at least you're not taking an enormous hit if one or two of them go under. George Gammon said he will start buying BTC when Michael Saylor is forced to sell his BTC from his trade fund. Dude, wouldn't that be crazy if that happened? Oh my God. 1718 was already same as smaller exchanges when the market tanks. Always blocked to trade or cash out. Yeah, I've remembered hearing that that's happened because they don't have the liquidity. It'll probably happen here in the near future. So don't wonder this happened now to Celsius. It's just a matter of time till Celsius is on a bigger, better, stable position. Hopefully, for all the investors' sake, especially. Coinbase has a clause that they're in their policy that can confiscate your crypto to pay their debt. Yeah, Silver Stang, I seen that during the whole Luna debacle. People were talking about that, and I read that article, man. That's exactly right. Like, they can literally confiscate your crypto to pay their debt. Isn't that insane? I don't use Coinbase anymore. I take that back. I'll buy crypto with like my debit card or my bank account on there, but then I always just transfer it out of there. I really don't use Coinbase for trading anything anymore. No matter how airtight a project is, always assume it will fail spectacularly. Always stay on your toes in crypto market. Exactly. Yep. It don't matter. Obviously, it doesn't matter how airtight a project is. So still have the BitConnect app still on my older phone. I'll ape Celsius under a penny. Yeah. What somebody said that earlier, they'll set a buy order at 409 or 309, something like that. Time to catch Celsius, dead cat. Man, anything's possible at 8.5. I mean, people are going to make money on it somehow or another, getting out of it. But I'm afraid, there's going to be a lot of people that, once trading goes live, people are going to be selling the hell out of it, man. You think Celsius doing a crypto version of a bank sell-off restriction is a sign of what is about to come next? It feels like it. You know what I mean? That's what it feels like. I mean, that's just absolutely crazy, man. Read over this a little bit more. Celsius users have criticized the platform for how they believe the project has mismanaged its funds following the collapse of the Anchor protocol on the now named Terra Classic blockchain. The project could be addressing those concerns with the recent moves to stabilize the liquidity. Yeah, so the community's already been pissed off about mismanaging funds. And then today it drops off 55%. Come to find out, they unstaked $247 million worth of wrapped Bitcoin and sent it from Aave to FTX exchange. Something definitely does not sound right. Some think that if Celsius fails, it would sell its significant stack of staked ETH. I'm retarded. I'm tired. Which would cause it to depeg further from ETH. Stable is a token provided by the Lido, a DeFi lending platform that is given as proof that a user has staked ETH, is currently trading about 4.4% lower than ETH. Wow, that's crazy. So the staked ETH is trading 4.4% lower than ETH. Unusual token movements began at 1800 ET on June 12th from Celsius' main DeFi wallet when it started removing wrapped Bitcoin from the Aave staking and lending platform, which Celsius used to earn interest on its deposits. So it's like, why would they unstake wrapped Bitcoin from Aave staking and lending platform, which is what they use to earn interest, and move it to FTX? That makes no sense. I wouldn't consider any exchanges safe right now. Put it on a ledger until things settle down. Exactly, Jacob Shapiro. That's exactly right, man. That's the only safe bet you have right there, man. This bear market is a training day for new investors. It sure is, man. Those, even anybody that's been in for the past year, really, I mean, people that have been in a year have learned a lot, about taking profits and stuff. And new investors are going to be able to make some good moves during a extremely bloody market, man. People can make some life-changing money when the market turns around. A crap load of ETH is collateral. Yep. Buying some ledgers Tuesday. Not sure who I can trust anymore. Yeah, it's smart, Sovereign. It's smart because you never know. I've known a few people now that have had their wallets drained on Coinbase wallet, MetaMask, and you don't think it'll ever happen to you until you get up one morning and it happened to you, and then it's too late. Or you can spend what the ledgers? How much are they now? Like $120, something like that, and sleep soundly at night knowing nobody's going to steal your crypto. It's definitely the way to go, in my opinion. And it costs a little bit to, transfer it from your wallet to the Ledger Cold wallet. You're going to spend a little bit of funds uh, transferring it and everything. But you take that minimal amount of money compared to losing all of your money sitting in a DeFi wallet. It's worth it to transfer it onto a Ledger, a SafePal, a Ledger, whatever, some kind of cold storage wallet. That way your funds cannot disappear. Guys, I got to walk away from the screen real quick. I am parched. I got to get some more water. So I'm just going to jump in the other room. I'll be back here in about 1 or 2 minutes. All right. We back. Sorry, guys. I had to refill my water and let the old pups outside real quick. So I had to step away for a second. But yeah, if y'all are just joining, I'm just hanging out, covering the Celsius network disaster. Looks like a another Luna situation. Do you see the video BTFA commented about the guy getting scammed and losing everything? Felt so bad. I didn't see that. No. What, Shannon, what so somebody that invested in BTFA got scammed and lost everything? Person was stupid but still sad. I'll have to look that up, man. Pray for my family guy. I'm gonna have to check that out. Do you think bloody days like this could cause new investors to say hell no and not get back into crypto? Absolutely, Fiverr. Absolutely, bloody days like this, and especially seeing another high-ranked project, Celsius Network, doing what it's doing right now after everything that just happened to Luna. Absolutely, it could make some people say they're not going to invest into crypto. Right, the only reason you should have money on an exchange right now is for trading. Exactly, Samuel. Appreciate you being here, man. Exactly. Yeah, but if you're day trading or something, you know, a lot of people use like Bybit or something, so you'd have it on exchange for something like that. Let me look. Maybe that one. It was about a person asking BTFA for help since they got hacked trying to buy NFTs. Dude, that's brutal. I'm gonna have to read about that. On the uneducated investors, this would be perfect time to start crypto. LL. I started at the end of a bull run. Not cool. Yes, Shaman. That's exactly right. That's what I keep saying too. It's you know, people make money doing the bull run, obviously, but the life changing money that people make in investing, like in crypto, is at the bottom of the bear market because they're going to buy in at the bottom of the bear market or even anywhere near the bottom of the bear market. And when we go into a bull market again, life changing, man, life changing stuff. Shannon Thomas dropped a link. That's the Twitter link to the video. Okay, cool. I'm going to pull it open here in a second. Appreciate it, Shannon. I'm also an uneducated investor, by the way. I have some common sense. Yep. I was a very uneducated investor. And I've definitely gained some knowledge, man, over this past year. And I study it a lot now, man. I mean, I'm digging into crypto daily, like throughout the day. So I'm always learning something new, whether it's reading stuff or watching, you know, tutorial videos or just watching other influencers, or I don't like influencers, YouTubers, you know. I'm right here, Miss NFT Queen. I'm back. So our DeFi projects right now is starting to look like 3 kids stacked in a trench coat training their hardest. Yeah, for real, man. Exactly. That's freaking hilarious, bro. New to crypto this year also. Learned a lot by some L's. Yep. Yeah, Shannon, you're real new to it. I've got a little over a year of skin in the game, but dude, I learned a lot the hard way, man. Because when I started, the first probably, let's see, 7 or 8 months that I was in crypto, I mean, I'd read some articles, but like I didn't even think to get on YouTube or Twitter or anything or Discord, Telegram, stuff like that. I didn't even think to do that there's even a community out there to help learn stuff. So I basically taught myself everything. And then after getting wrecked so many freaking times that I was ready to quit, then I started researching more stuff. And here we are, man. Never in a million years did I thought I'd have my own YouTube channel, man. But here we are, just pumping it, man. Got to pump it up. Andres Nexo is not allowing withdrawals as well. Busy platform. Really? Isn't that something, man? These freaking, like all this shit, they just, you know, start running out of liquidity. So just shut her down. So what really is true DeFi then? You know what I mean? I guess true DeFi would be having crypto on your cold storage wallet, but it's crazy. I mean, that doesn't even stop it though, because I mean, if any of those projects halt trading, you couldn't sell it on your cold storage wallet even if you wanted to. Buy high, sell low, right? Yep, that is exactly right, Lazy. The greenest candle, buy at the very top and then sell it at the lowest. That's how you make the most money. I remember using XO a year ago. After a few near liquidations, decided to stop using loans. Yeah, the loans thing. I tried that for a minute too, and I'm like, nah, this is definitely not smart. I mean, you could probably make some good money, but the chance of being wrecked is very high. All you see a lot of these crypto companies about to do the Ruggy Rug poll. What's up? It's a vibe. How's it going? Appreciate you being here. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. Looks like all Celsius networks trying to do the Ruggy Rug, aka the Terra. Yeah, the Terra dance. We're gonna call it the Celsius Terra dance here pretty soon because it looks like they're in big trouble, man. Thanks from Australia. Good to see some decent crypto coverage. Subscribe. I appreciate it, Spinny Dave. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, we're just here. I try and stream quite frequently and just keep it real, man. I cover a little bit of everything. I'm in the Kronos network a lot. I love Kronos network. I think it's got big potential. So I cover a lot of stuff on there, but a little bit of everything, NFTs, just crypto news in general, just whatever, talk about whatever sometimes, not even crypto. I just try and keep it real. I just be myself, man, and just try and spit out the facts about stuff and not here to hype a bunch of stuff, you know. That's what I don't get. There's like all these channels on YouTube, man. It just gives the whole crypto space such a bad name for these idiots that are, you know, posting like dramatic thumbnails like this coin's gonna 1000x tomorrow, buy right now. And it's like, dude, that's insane. And people watch it. I can't stand people that are like falsely hyping shit. It's crazy. Let's see here. So it came back up a little bit over the past 30, 40 minutes, but I mean, look at that bottom of that candle, man. That thing got down. I guess I thought it got down a little bit lower than that when I was looking at the chart earlier. 10 cents though. Whew. That's bad considering what it was just like a month ago. We're all George. Yeah, baby. We're all George, man. Absolutely. Swift kick. We are all George. My dumbest play was to use a loan to get into a shit dog must coin. Luckily, I was able to make a profit, but I remember not being able to sleep sometimes. Yeah, that's brutal, man. NATO Nation, baby. Racket Club, what's up, bro? I decided to stream last minute because I seen all the blood market and Celsius network pulling some shady shit and halting trading, man. Looks like another one's gonna bite the dust. Yeah, it is insane. Jay, how's it going? Welcome, man. 50K, huh? Dude, I'm sorry, man. That's brutal. That is absolutely brutal. And the sad part is you just never know which project it's going to be that pulls some BS like this, man. It's absolutely crazy. Shaman says Lazy Jedi is wanting to be a Freemason and use the torch for his amusement. Say it's a vibe to be a Jedi and Miss NFT Queen with a fifth survivor of Lazy Jedi's shenanigans with Nick. Dude, you're coming in with the good ones, Fiverr. Guys, those that don't know who Fiverr is, he is a regular on the channel, and this dude can, on spur of the moment, put together 30 names from the chat and put it into a sentence that makes sense, and it's freaking hilarious. Greetings from Portugal. Goodbye, my Celsius friends. Greetings, man. Appreciate you being here, Jose. From Portugal, man. That's so cool. I love this space, man. get to talk to people from all over the world, man. It's crazy. I've made some really good friends in this space, with people at the opposite sides of the world. I'm in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, so it's crazy, man. I love it. Without the space, none of us would ever meet. You know what I mean? NATO Nation, baby. For those of you that don't know that are new here, channel, it's obviously TX Tornado Crypto, and we call ourselves the NATO Nation here. So welcome to the NATO Nation. Grab a seat, stay a while. Hit the like button if you guys don't mind. Smash that like button. It takes 2 seconds. I'm almost monetized, man. My channel is only about 2 months old, and been just absolutely killing it, man. Couldn't do it with all the support of everybody that's here, man. Didn't even know I was going to have a YouTube channel 3 or 4 months ago. So this is cool. I love it, man. Absolutely love it. So I got over 1,000. So the requirements, you have to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to get monetized on YouTube. I figured it'd take like months, like August or September maybe, and actually smashed through that 1,000 subs by the end of May, and getting close on the watch hours, man. I think I've got like 35 or 3,600 of the 4,000, so it's exciting. We're gonna do a big celebration, man. I'm big into the DeFi space. I'm a DGen big time, so I cover a lot of DeFi projects and stuff. I cover a little bit of everything, but we're gonna do a 1K like official celebration for the YouTube channel, and I've got multiple DeFi projects that are gonna donate like either tokens or NFTs and stuff, and do a bunch of giveaways. It'll be fun. Just a way to give back and thank all the community for their support. Back again, you effing killing it, broski. Yeah, dude, this was like a last minute decision stream, man, and dude, it's been a good stream, bro. I'm enjoying it, man. I had over 100 people watching here just a minute ago. We're still sitting at 85 right now. That's crazy. The channel's growing, man. I love it. These companies are having pegging instability issue like Terra due to liquidating market. Yeah, exactly, man. The market's liquidating. So many people are selling out. Like, dude, they're having there's some serious issues. I don't know that Celsius is gonna be able to pull out of what just happened with them though. Could they? I mean, it's down 38% on the day right now. It's basically 70% on the week. And then they halted trading, and then come to find out they sent they unstaked wrap Bitcoin on the Aave. I think that's how you say it, Aave. That's how I've always said it. Aave. Aave sounds good, so I'll call it Aave. But they unstaked the wrap Bitcoin, and they sent it to an FTX account. Seems really suspicious, man. Really suspicious that they would do that. Dude, I'm behind on the chats again. Y'all are going ham. Shaman. Chaka Crypto in the house. What's up, Chaka? You working tonight, bro? If you weren't working, I'd say jump on the stream, man. Come hang out for a minute. My favorite part about crypto is I can prove to my wife I didn't lose all our money on Women of the Night. I can show her why we were poor on Ethers. That's freaking hilarious, Lazy Jedi. Oh my god. That's freaking hilarious. I have a feeling Tether might have some issues down the line. It's possible, man. They were having a little bit of issues, a few weeks ago, right? Celsius will be back. You think they can come back, Sang Kun Chi? I think I'm saying that right. You think they can come back and recover from it? I really don't know. Like, it just seeing that money getting transferred, and then halting trading and, pausing withdrawals and stuff. I feel like, with a 50-some% hit on the day and then halting the trading, like the community is freaking out pretty bad. I'm just worried that they're going to lose trust. But you never know, man. I mean, they could be okay. Let's get you that NordVPN sponsorship or Manscaped. Hell yeah, bro. Let's get it. Dude, I'd sponsor. I would talk about NordVPN and Manscaped all day long if they sponsored the channel. I did get my first official sponsor this month, though, of the channel. I only want a few sponsors. I don't want a bunch of sponsors on the channel, just because I want to keep it, kind of organized. But I want to, and the only thing that I'll let sponsor the channel is something that I believe in or that I'd invest in or am invested in, I should say. And I got Crypto Pets. They're a DeFi project on the Ethereum network. If you're not aware of them, they got a cool project they're building, man. So a play to earn game. I think it could do really well. But they are a channel sponsor, so shout out to Crypto Pets. Y'all check them out. Only 27% of Celsius, the ETH, is liquid. The rest is either staked ETH or staked in ETH2. So inaccessible for at least 1 year and high from Ottawa. Gotcha, man. That's interesting. I appreciate the that information, bro. So only 27% is liquid, huh? Samuel Goulet from Ottawa. That's awesome, man. Appreciate you being here, brother. How's the weather in Ottawa? It's down here in DFW, Texas, man. It was like 107 today with the heat index, man. It was hot. It was hot. It's definitely summertime. Dude, I'm behind in the chats big time. Goodbye, Celsius. Mark comments. That's what I'm afraid of, man, especially after everything that happened with Luna. And then, I mean, this is just too soon, a few weeks later. And then now this has happened. That's scary. Luna 3.0. Yeah. There might be at some point. Who knows, right? Thanks for the support, Fiverr. That'll help the watch hours. Nice. That'll help the watch. Yeah, absolutely, man. That's what I was thinking. I was like, dude, I'm going to get quite a bit of hours tonight. It's awesome. So many people on tonight. Yeah, the chat's jamming, Crypto AI. We got the old algorithms just in our favor, just blessing the old channel tonight, man. I appreciate everybody being here. This is a fun stream. I wonder if they change Celsius name on V2 to Fahrenheit. It might help them, right? Please just put the hooked on the blockchain, bro. What's up, Lazy? 250 billion KPET token giveaway once we reach 250 Telegram members. Oh, really? That's good to know. How many members y'all have on there right now? See, the project, it's such a, they have so much potential, man. They have so much room to grow. So 250 bill KPETs when 250 TG members. I made a note about it. That's cool, man. Good to know. Appreciate it, Crypto AI. Of course. Oh, we got Buzzed and Utz in the building with the 3 sets of eyeballs. How's it going, Bust and Utz? How's she going, bud? Bustin'? Bust it? Nah, I'm not working tonight, but I'm having problems with my PC hard drive. All I got is my phone at the moment. Having problems with liquidity in the back end of the old PC hard drive, bud. How close are you for KPETs, Crypto AI? Yeah, how many members are in the Telegram right now? Guys, I'm behind in the chat. I apologize. Can't stop, won't stop. You stay on the grind, bro. Absolutely, man. LB, how's it going? Thanks for streaming tonight. I was looking to connect with others that are involved in this mess. Absolutely, man. Yeah, that's why it was a last minute decision to stream, and I figured it'd be a good subject, just covering the crypto dumping again, and then the Celsius thing, because that's what it's all about, man. Like uniting more people in the crypto space, man. I'm loving it, and it's cool. Yeah, this is a place, on my channel, man. Just come hang out, man, and just shoot the breeze with me, and just we can talk about this. And I'll have more streams. Like I have streams all the time, but um, if it's possible for me to stream and I find out more news on Celsius, I'll definitely be streaming it. So, or dropping quick videos about it. So, if y'all haven't hit the like button, please do so. And if you like hanging out on the stream here, man, hit the subscribe and turn notifications on. Always got something going on, something to talk about. A lot of these crypto company leaders probably have the mentality that this may be the end of crypto and are considering rugging before they lose it all. I wonder about that. It's a vibe. I wonder how many projects have contemplated that or are going to try to do that. Probably an emergency Zoom meeting pacing around on how to fix the cells. Dude, I bet they are. Either they're panicking or they had a plan and don't give a shit. Need 50 more members. That's not too bad. You should be able to get 50 members in there. Hell yeah, Shannon's going to join. Been to like 7 AMAs and still haven't won anything. Dude, I never win anything on stuff either. I've won a couple things now, but there's so many giveaways like on Twitter and stuff. I never win squat, man. Never win squat. Shaman, you will soon. How's it going, Crypto Golf? Are you doing all right, man? Dow futures implied to open currently negative 300. Damn. That's a swift kick in the old bust of nuts, isn't it? Let the other degens eat, bro. 200 TG right now. Man, K-Pet should be able to get 50 more Telegram members in a reasonable amount of time. Bust of Nuts hasn't won no K-Pets either. I don't know how many of y'all are like true degens, if you like, meme coin plays and stuff, but CryptoPets is John, the lead dev, the head of the project. He's a good dude, man. They got some big things planned for their play to earn game. When Celsius opens up trading and swapping, Celsius will never come back. That's what I think too, man. That's my true it's that 201. That's my true feeling. That's just my opinion. I mean, it could be completely different, but that's just how I feel. I don't see how they're going to come back from that, Yeah, Bustin and that guy were in the stream earlier today. Was it on Two Bits channel? Very convenient. You haven't been in the stream, Bustin. Just get done. Oh, that guy's here now. What's up, that guy? You just missed Bustin' Nuts, bro. Queen is chatting on that guy. Cheating on that guy with Bustin'. Hey, it's possible. That's hilarious. Thanks for reading all the comments. Very cool. Yeah, no problem, man. No problem. Mark comments. No pun intended on the comments. Yeah, I try to like at least halfway keep up with the messages, man. Kind of go through everything. And hopefully some of y'all link up, Celsius investors and stuff that are in the space. We're all joined on here, so y'all can link up and chat Celsius and stuff, man. That's what I like about the space, man, and having my YouTube platform now. It's like, it's just cool being able to, depend on what's going on like this. Like, never would have thought Celsius was like, looks like they're in trouble. But just be able to put a stream together and just get a whole group of people watching the stream that have never probably seen my channel before and stuff. And now, a lot of people have something in common with this whole Celsius nightmare. So it's cool just connecting people. If Celsius will come up on YouTube for some info. Yeah, you could type in. I typed it in earlier. You're talking about if you search for it. Yeah, you could just in the search bar. I put Celsius Network earlier with the newest videos, and it popped up a few things. Obviously, it's showing mine live right now. Nobody else is live about Celsius, which is crazy. That's crazy. Nobody I follow is live with it anyway. But the one who's got more knowledge on Celsius than me would be Cryptos R Us. Old George. We are George. He is George. We are all George. So y'all check out Cryptos R Us too. He's very knowledgeable on Celsius. But yeah, I appreciate everybody being here. Appreciate everyone joining the stream and hanging out. Dude, I'm behind. Why y'all throwing me in this? I think boasting that guy. They probably got the thing going, man. That's hilarious. I'm gonna check. I'm just trying to read through a few of the chats here, but then I'm gonna jump back on Celsius's Twitter and see if they've updated anything. So like Bustin got a big bag of K-Pets. Yeah, where has Mike Oxlong been? I haven't seen him in a few days, man. Liquidity problems are the kiss of death for trading platforms. No trust, no customers. Exactly, Arcane. That's exactly right. No trust, no customers. And after this, with everybody that is invested in Celsius, like in this chat room alone on this video, but just to thank all the people that are invested in it, and they can't do nothing with their money right now. Dude, if that was me, I would be getting that money out immediately when and if they go live with trading again. You know what I mean? Even more shady, Celsius owns 26.6% of all the Celsius. Wow, do they really, Samuel? See, I've been watching Celsius for a long time, but I don't know some of the stats like that. There's so much stuff I look into, I just can't keep up with following stats on everything. You know what I mean? That's crazy. 26.6% of all the tokens Celsius owns. Wow, that's a huge supply. That's a lot, man. That's a lot. Yeah, that's mind-blowing numbers, Samuel. I appreciate those stats, man. You think Alex is gonna do a live stream tomorrow for Celsius? He usually does one every day. I would imagine Stake and Earn. I would imagine. What time is that one usually on? I've caught it before. I don't remember what time it's on though. I'd highly imagine though. I appreciate you being here, Stake and Earn. Appreciate it. Appreciate everybody being here. Y'all smash the like button, crank the algorithms up, get this channel growing more, man. Blew through the 1,000 subs. Next goal, 10,000. We can do it organically, just growing, just hanging out in the space, talking. Just having to find your channel, looking for crypto news. Drop the sub, dude. I appreciate it, man. Gaining the subs tonight, man. We just try and keep it real here. Just gaining the subs tonight, man. I'm stoked. I'm pumped about it. Going back towards 194 people in the chat. 94 people can all smash that like button. If they like the channel, those 94 people could also subscribe to the channel. Help me get this thing grown. And the bigger the platform gets, the more people we can get united in the crypto space and become a bigger group of people that truly believe in crypto and all help it grow together. Let's see here. Sorry guys, I was just checking my messages real quick. Sorry guys, I was just checking. Whoop. Accidentally opened up my YouTube here. Yeah, we got. I was checking. 65 likes, 96 people, 98 people in the chat. Come on, guys, pump it up. Pump up the old like button. Take 2 seconds, smash the old thumb, the old like button, and rock and roll. Appreciate everybody being here. New Chaos, do you use Brave browser? I am not sure what Brave browser is. New Chaos. I honestly do not know what Brave browser is. Like streams, or you will get crabs. Make sure to smash that like button. We are NATO Nation here. George went through hell. Yeah, George CryptoZaurus went through absolute hell with Luna. And now Celsius, man, I bet he's lost a bunch of money this year, man. Whew. Now Alex Mashinsky. If I like the stream, will I get rid of crabs? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. That's the first thing that happens instantly. No more crabs. Yeah, again, I appreciate everybody being here. I'm going to jump back on their Twitter in just a second here. I'm trying to catch up with chats, but by the time I get up, I stop for a minute and then I'm behind again. Celsius is about to be called Fahrenheit. Yeah, they are, Jose. Yep. I think we just lost our money. Next step for Celsius is the news that says they are broken. I don't want to say that, I don't want to just sound negative, but they moved $296 million worth of staked Bitcoin to FTX. They're down 50%. Trading is halted. You can't withdraw your money. I mean, dude, it's not looking good. Yes, Shaman, only non-cure, not medical advice. Celsius community is in here. Absolutely. Celsius community is in the chats, and I appreciate y'all being here. I'm personally not invested in Celsius, but I have really watched Celsius a lot as a possible investment at some point, which I didn't get into it ever up until now, or I never did get into it even now. But I just wanted to cover this and kind of be able to unite some of y'all. And man, I apologize for y'all losing money, bro. It sucks. I feel for all y'all. It's rough. That Luna thing too, man. The Luna thing. I mean, it's just, God, which one's going to be next? You know what I mean? Hope I win this K-Pits. I've wanted to get in, but not trying to use any of my money. Already in so much. Yeah. K-Pits is they've got a pretty solid plan, man. Speaking of K-Pets, so you got the 250 billion apparently for the 250 Telegram member giveaway, but K-Pets is going to be on my channel Tuesday night at 8 p.m. Central. I shot out a tweet about it, and then if you're subscribed on here and have notifications on, you'll get an alert for it. They're coming on. John always does giveaways, so I guarantee you there's going to be some K-Pets token giveaways during the live AMA Tuesday night too. So there's another opportunity for y'all. Shaman says that Miss NFT Queen heard Mark comments about that guy busting nuts while at the Racket Club to stake and earn K-Pets using a crypto AI. Lazy Jedi gave him a swift kick because he's not a free mate. Dude, you're coming up with good ones tonight, Fiverr. That's funny. Usually 1 p.m. Eastern. Okay, yes, it'd be noon my time. It worked. They're gone. Hell yeah. Congrats, man. Bro, I'm behind bad. Cocoin General still here. I've been with Celsius since last year. I love earning yields. Did you earn quite a bit over a year's time, stake and earn? Just out of curiosity, the crypto Ponzi scheme is crashing. It feels like it, don't it, Wolfgang Felix? Man, Deny me access to do anything with my funds. Exactly. That's the point I've kind of been trying to make is, even if you like Celsius and stuff, anything else, if you can't access your funds, man, it's like, bro, this is definitely not a position an investor wants to be in. Definitely not. Hit the like button and subscribe. Make sure to join K-Pets on Telegram and Twitter. Yeah, y'all check out K-Pets on Telegram, Twitter. On Twitter, you got to type out Crypto Pets with a K. Solid project. I'm an investor. They also are the channel sponsor. Proud to have them as my first channel sponsor. Got to give them some shout outs during the streams, man, because they're good people, man. They're good people. 202 members in K-Pets. Let's go. Texas Tornado Crypto, the new way to connect. Propo. Yeah. Yep. That's what I'm here for, man. Just connecting people in the space and building myself a platform, man. Just, I just shoot it straight and people seem to like it. So that I'm just being true to myself, just how I am normally. And enjoy talking to y'all on here. So just grow in the space, man. Make sure you got it subbed and notifications turned on, man. I've usually got something damn near every day, man. Damn near every day, covering something in crypto. I use Brave browser. I'll use Brave browser. It's crashing hard. Glad I got out last month. You're a lucky man, Mike. You're a lucky man, sir. People, sorry. Yeah, it's sad, man. It's sad. I feel for people that have their money locked up in there. Should look the Bloomberg article on the. Yeah, let me take a look at that, Samuel. Oop. Drop my vape here. Let me see if I can pull that open real quick. I'm getting kind of caught up on chats, and now I'll look this up and get way behind again. But it's all good. Bloomberg article. Celsius. Just wait until the other markets, depending on what time zone you're in, start waking up. There's a lot of people probably sleeping that don't even know that this is happening to Celsius right now. That's scary. And they can't do shit about it. They can't even move their funds. Okay, here we go. Bloomberg article. I think that's it. I'll pull it open on the screen here in just a second. Yeah, here we go. I'll kind of read over this. I don't want to bore y'all reading the whole damn thing, but I'll kind of skim over it and read it. A lot of people, whether you're working or driving or something, might not have time to read it right this second. And actually, you know what? I'll drop this. I'll drop this article link in the chat if anybody is trying to find that and just wants to read over it themselves. Drop that in the old chat here. There we go. So Bloomberg Celsius Network paused withdraws swaps transfers on its platform, fueling a broader market sell-off as traders continued to question the sustainability of high-yielding tokens in the wake of the Terra blockchain collapse. I mean, I feel like we're watching a repeat of what just happened with Luna. Celsius was down 31% at 24.2 cents at 12:42 p.m. Hong Kong time today. It was down 31% at 24.2 cents. Underperforming amid a slump in crypto. Doubts about the sky-high yields backing protocols such as Celsius have intensified after Terra's collapse in May. The Cell token promises actual financial rewards, including as much as 30% extra returns weekly. Dude, that's not sustainable. The plunge of Celsius token seems to be a realization of the contagion risk of UST Luna into similar financial tools. Lending and borrowing protocols underperformed, with the market caps down 10% compared to 6.4% fall in broader crypto. I'm just kind of skimming over it. So Bitcoin dropped 9%, but this is down bad, man. How big was Celsius all-time high? I'm not sure. Let me look. Do I still got? I got the. I did see it earlier. Wasn't it? Was it 8 something? Oop. I'm on the wrong one. There we go. I feel like maybe it was 8 something. Yeah. So all-time high was 801, $8.01. On June 3rd, 2021. So about a little over a year ago. Speak somewhat of crabs, but worse, there was an article on CNN about a woman who got paid millions for catching an STD while getting busy. What? That's insane, man. Harry Ascrack in the house. Yo, yo, yo. How's it going, Harry? How's she going there, Ascrack? So lucky I had 90% of my crypto in Celsius and just withdrew yesterday. Did you really, Jacob Shapiro? Wow. Man, there's been several people in the chat so far tonight that have withdrew within the past 2 or 3 days. So a bunch of y'all are having like a conviction with yourself that something was not right, huh? That's good. I mean, that's a good thing. Y'all are, sounds like people are trusting their instincts and just using their knowledge, man. Crypto is all about trust, but yeah, exactly, Ahmad. Exactly. Crypto is all about trust, but can you trust it? It's like a double-edged sword. You know what I mean, Ahmad? Free browsers, the BAT token. Ah, okay. I've heard of it. Don't y'all earn BAT token for using the Brave browser, right? Isn't there another one too? There's another cryptocurrency that's got a browser. Do y'all like it? I mean, compared to like Google, like Chrome or something, do you like it? I keep hearing people talking about it the past few days, so that's what I'm wondering. Is it something that's seems to be cool? Dude, I'm so far behind. Oh my god, I'm behind bad, guys. Hit that like button, and the next time you get fast food, nothing will be messed up on your order. Yeah, that's right. Not healthy eating advice. Guys, if I skip over your chat, I apologize. I am way behind. Way behind. I'm like crypto realist Jeremy far behind. To be honest, Celsius seems shady when they started changing things up, requiring you to be a credible investor. That's BS. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like even halting trading and stuff, it's like, bro, I thought this was decentralized finance. You know what I mean? Hit the like button and everybody will get their Saitama V2 airdrops by noon tomorrow. So lucky. Yeah, for real, man. Congrats on that move, bro. Had 4 loans and paid them all off. Wow, dude. You'd have been wrecked. Feel bad for people who are stuck. I do too, man. I really do. I feel for anybody that's stuck. Not letting people access their phones, no matter how chaotic, is a guarantee to lose them as customers when they're able to withdraw. Yeah, dude, the sell-off is going to be absolutely insane. Hit that like button and Scar won't murder Mufa's aunt. Oh, Mufasa in The Lion King. That's hilarious. I think about putting stop limits on Coin or Hood tomorrow. It's going to be a bloodbath. It really will, Arcane. It's going to be absolutely brutal tomorrow. Now when the gate opens, it's all going to come crashing down once again. Exactly. It's like they just, they transfer that money, that stake Bitcoin, wrap Bitcoin to FTX now. And all this is happening. They just prolonged the inevitable, it feels like. You know what I mean? To date, the yield I earned was about a month's pay for rent on a single bedroom. Dude, that's a good return for in a year. You know what I mean? Like, where the hell else can you get a return that much? You know what I mean? Like a bank or anything? Hell no. Still a sad scene to this day, lazy. Out my wallet, and all I see is a chalk line where Saitama used to be. Got him for the Celsius users. Yep. Yeah, I'm behind here. Let's see. I was pissed when Mufasa died. Mark is depressing enough. Yeah, now we're double depressed. Like the stream, and Disney will pay for all your therapy that they created the need for. I have about half my portfolio on Celsius. I wasn't earning yield in the Cell token, but native tokens. I would say now that the risk isn't worth the reward. That's the problem, man. That's the problem. And, they were talking about it during the whole Luna crash too, like rewards that, just aren't sustainable. But people heard it. I heard it, but didn't really go much further than just hearing it. Now you see another project going down like this. It just verifies that is true. Like, these percentage of rewards that they're paying out is just not sustainable. It can't happen. Not over a long period of time, man. Crypto is never sustainable. There once was a lazy Jedi who people called that guy, and the shaman says he needed to take cover from the Texas tornado. So he used crypto AI to build shelter and called it the Racket Club. Dude, Harry Ascrack, there you go, bro. Coming in hot, coming in with the bangers. Harry Ascrack is new to the channel, so everybody give Harry Ascrack a round of applause. The Celsius gets some funding to weather the storm, but geez, yeah, like, man, I wonder what's going to happen, man, because they're going to have to go live again eventually. I think proof of stake for Ethereum merge is a bad idea. Anything staking doesn't sound good. Yeah, man, it's a delicate subject. You know what I mean? Flip miner. It's a delicate subject. Elias woke up at 3 a.m. and went to work after the Twitter FUD. Man, just a sobering day at work today for you, huh? Where are you located at, Jacob? Like, what country are you in? Out of curiosity. Let's see here. I want to go back. Reload their Twitter real quick. I mean, look at it. They have 230.1 thousand followers. I mean, it's not like it's a small project. This is a freaking huge disaster. Yeah, they haven't posted anything else. What a rough spot to be in, man. What a rough spot. Shaman says, hit the like and sub, and a lazy Jedi with use the lightsaber's heat of 73.889 Celsius to boil the crabs off, or use the swords to take them from Terra to the dark side of the Luna. Still way behind. We got Fiverr and Harry Ascrack just going. They're just rap battling against each other in the chats, man. Rhyming. I've been behind most of my life, TX. No worries. Fiverr has 5 or 6 accounts. Probably. I don't have 2 accounts. Hit the like button and you get to pick your least favorite person to step on a Lego. Nice. Thanks, man. Good night. Appreciate it, Mark. Appreciate you being here, brother. Hope to see you back in the chat soon, man. Again, just to say, y'all, please hit the like button if you haven't already, and think about subscribing, turn on notifications. If you like hanging out here, I would appreciate it. Absolutely appreciate it. Without shoes on. Either Fiverr's got some competition or it's both it's Fiverr against Fiverr on his alt account. Greg Davis says Doom awaits. It sure does, man. Earn 18.9% misery per day. Dude, I know. God dang. It's brutal, isn't it? Nice, Fiverr. Jake. Oh, you're in Arizona. Okay, cool. So you're only what you're an hour behind me? Yeah, you must be an hour. I'm Central Time, so you're probably an hour behind me. Maybe 2 hours, but I think probably an hour in Arizona. I think it's 11% both ways normally, then 3% buy, 20% sell during the bonanzas, but I could be off. What project are you talking about, Miss NFT Queen? I missed a chat or something. It's 11% both ways. What project is that? Celsius in a few days, guys. We don't have the money, but if you stay, we'll give you some sell and high yield rates for holding. Either that or they'll say we're going to make a hard fork and we will airdrop all of the investors that have been holding since before this crash, and then they'll unlock it and it'll continue dumping off, and then people will buy in really low thinking that Celsius will pump again someday, and then they'll have a hard fork for a Celsius 2.0. Does it sound familiar? It sounds kind of familiar. Somebody else may have recently done that. I think you might be right. The bananas have been throwing me off. Celsius staff on flights to, yeah, they are. They're heading to the Maldives. Not a worry in the world. They got their bags packed, settling down for the rest of their life. Thanks for reading my comments. First time on channel, new subscriber. You're awesome. Good night. I appreciate it, Arcane. Absolutely, man. I get behind a little bit, but I try and cover all the comments, and appreciate you for being here tonight, man. Good night. Appreciate the sub too, bro. Oh, K-Pets? Yeah. They had that sale going. That's right. Arcane Reeds, we're glad you're here. Always good to see new faces. It is, man. It's been growing like crazy. I love it, man. Thanks, guys. Good luck out there. It's going to be a shitty 2022 for investing. Be careful. Yeah, it's tough, man. No one is more enthusiastic than me, Shaman. Yeah, it's a rough market to invest in, man. So that's all I see here. Let me I'm just going to check and see if there's any other articles that have popped up recently. That was 1 hour ago. Oh, that other one was on MSN. This is the actual Bloomberg site, but I think it's the same article. Yeah, it's the same article. So they haven't really said anything else. I'm just refreshing my my search to see if there's any new articles popping up with any more info. Yeah, this article, I don't know if it's going to be the same thing or not. I'll pull it open on screen here. My broadband. It could just be all the same information. Yeah, it's just the same info. So now everybody's just got to sit and wait. All the people that are invested are going to just have to sit and wait and watch the news. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll drop news as soon as I hear anything, because it's hard to keep up with a lot of different news outlets and social media and stuff. So anything I hear, if I don't go live, I will at least record a video quick and drop info about it. Anything I hear. Wonder how many Celsius degrees it takes to burn the hairy ass crack of Bigfoot. But with what's going on with Luna also, Dokon's ass will be put in ice like the dark side of Luna. For at least Tether is still pegged for now. I know. Thank God Tether is still pegged. If it unpegs, man, you talk about a sell-off with everything. Could be that those hedge funds that are getting wrecked need liquidity, so their last dime is to sell off their crypto bags. Yeah, that could be very well true. Do you know, was there like options trading on Celsius on any platform, on any exchange or anything, where you could like long or short it? I don't know. I don't know if they had long and short positions available on any platform or not. Maybe somebody in the chat knows. Celsius. I don't see anything. Maybe somebody in the chat knows, but I wonder if you could long or short Celsius, because I'm curious if you could short it. I wonder how many people were shorting it before it dumped. Didn't Tether lend them 1 billion or something? Might drag them down too. Katona Hayama, I am not sure. Thanks for being in the chat, man. Or ma'am, man or ma'am. I don't know if they lent him that or not. I'd have to verify that. I can look. I can see if I can find something verifying that. They pull up funds while hoarding the market. Yep. Hashtag rigged. Just pretty much, man. Pretty much. Bitcoin may be crashing again. Can you do some chart analysis? Daniel Leeworthy. How's it going, Daniel? Let's see. Does anyone know what Tether does? Is there any transparency? We can pull some stuff open about it. Daniel says, let me pull up in the Bitcoin chart real quick. I'm not the greatest technical analysis guy by any means. I'm learning a lot. Like I've been following some people and learning quite a bit on technical analysis, but I would consider myself a rookie chart analysis guy. But I'll definitely we'll pull it open and check it all out, man. Let's see here. I'm gonna open a new tab here. Is that right? Oh yeah, here we go. Who are y'all's out of curiosity? Who are y'all's favorite technical analysis guys on YouTube, who do y'all go to the most? I'm just seeing if any of y'all kind of follow the same people I do or not. On the day, let me pull this. I'll pull this open on the screen. I'm on the day chart right now with Bitcoin. I can change it down from there, but I'm going to leave it on the day chart for right this second. Okay, there we go. Man, there's not much support on it at the level it's at. I'm going to zoom into it here in just a second. I was just kind of looking at it back because that was back in December of 2020. July of 21. So, I mean, it hasn't been down to the levels it's at right now. 25, it's at 25,282, basically 25,282, 275. It hasn't been down to these levels. This is Bitcoin USDT pair, but it hasn't been down at these levels since December of 2020. I hate these ads popping up. Let me zoom in here. Probably zoom in more than that even. That should be okay for now. Because when was this? So May 12th, it dropped. It was what, 26 something? Dude, there's like no support. That's still all 28. Oh, there we go. I mean, look at that. Literally zoomed in on the day chart. The last time it's been here was December 26th, the day after Christmas of 2020. I wonder if it's going to move my chart here. I hope not. Oh, it's back into the January this year. But dude, there's not any support on it since 2020. That's crazy. Behind again on the chat. Let's see here. Does anyone know? Oh, that doesn't want to. I have a sneaky suspicion Tether will eventually crash. It's so odd how they operate. It's possible, man. It really is. Yeah, absolutely, Daniel. I'm going to look at it some more here in a minute too. I just want to come back over and jump on this chat real quick. Bitcoin had a false breakout. Now continues down. Yep, just dropping back down again. TA is easy. The chart will go up or it will go down. Who wants pizza? Seen technical analysis that was worth anything. Yeah, there's not much. You can. I've seen some of the people I follow that you can at least kind of find some supports. You know, you can find supports, especially if it has some history. The chart, not like a newer project, like more crypto online on YouTube. More crypto online. All right, now I'm gonna check them out. More crypto online. There's a lot of TA guys on here. TA's mail astrology, someone once told me. Shitcoins are currently being extinct. Yeah, they are. There's a lot of shitcoins that are going to be completely wiped out. Completely wiped out. TA said Bitcoin was going to 100K and 30K with support. How did that work out? Yeah, exactly. I mean, you can kind of do TA on it if you're looking at the right charts, the right, whether it's day or 4 hour, 1 hour, whatever you're looking at for a zone. But at the end of the day, there's no telling really. I like Crypto Jeb also. Crypto Lifer is good. I enjoy watching all different people. That's how I am, Daniel. I watch a little bit of everybody, man. Like in the space I'm in here, there's a circle of us that, all follow each other, but I follow a bunch of different people, man. There's one, Cosa Verdes. He's pretty good. Cosa Verdes is pretty good. Obviously George, I am George, Cryptosaurus, watch him. Crypto Banter. I watch Crypto Banter mainly for well, actually they do there's 4 different people on that channel and they all have their own show times. Crypto Banter is pretty good. But I watch a little bit of everybody, man. After this, regulators are coming down hard on crypto. Stablecoin regulation is coming later this year. Ben Cowan. Yeah, I like Ben Cowan a lot. I watch him a lot. Said he doesn't hold any stables right now because of the risk. It's probably smart, Jacob. I like Benjamin Cowan, man. That dude's got some good content, man. Tether prints more Tether anytime it needs. Yeah, that's the crazy part. Every time you watch a crypto video that's even 1 or 2 hours old, it's outdated because the price either went down harder or went up fast. Seriously, man. Tether can't print dollars for redemption. Doesn't Craft J Dave do great TA testicle analysis on Crodix? Yeah. You think the Fed prints a lot of money? Let's see how much UST derivatives are out there. No kidding. Seriously. Had a basket of about 10 low cap alts, 1K of each. They're all about $10 to $20 now. Yep. I was talking to somebody else earlier today about that, man. A lot of $1,000 investments that are worth anywhere from $1 to $50 tops. That sucks, man. Do you think any of them, do you still believe in any of them? Or do you believe in most of them? Like their projects long-term, you think will do well, Jacob? Oh, I got caught back up again. Wow. Dude, the chat's been holding strong, man. We still got 65 people in here. Been going almost 2.5 hours. It's 1 o'clock in the morning here. And this is a last minute stream. I just seen all the news coming out, man, and seen the this big debacle with Celsius. I'm like, man, I got to go on and cover it for a little bit. I love Crypto Love. You have all the bottom or almost bottom charts, which he's showing since a while. Oh, Crypto Love. I'm gonna write it down. I'm gonna check him out, man. You went up 10 subs during the stream, dude. That's awesome, man. I appreciate everybody. That's badass. If I went up 10 subs just during the stream, is down 6 million. Let's just say he's now at 7. Damn. Probably more. Yeah, it's possible. Everybody waiting on BTC to hit 25. 7 a.m. in Portugal. Jose, 7 a.m. in Portugal, huh? So y'all are 6 hours ahead of us. Dude, I want to travel the world, man. I've been to like Central America and Caribbean and stuff, but I want to go to Portugal and Spain and stuff like that one day. Dude, let's all just hit a few hundred X's and I'll just go on a permanent travel plan for the rest of my life. Just go travel the world. Wouldn't that be awesome? Just make YouTube videos and talk about crypto and just invest and just travel around. That would be the life. It'd be so cool, man. Anything's possible too. I once knew a fish and a diver, fell in love at the ocean divider. They had a kid, he was smart, but it whistled when he'd fart, and that kid went by the name of Fiverr. All love. That's freaking funny as hell, man. Still holding RBN for sushi, IMAX, Metis. probably all will go to zero. Yeah, I've got IMX. I think IMX will do really good, Jacob. Oh yeah, and you just said IMX might survive. Yeah, I think IMX is going to do really good, man. Their NFT integration and the gas fee pricing and security and stuff, dude. I think IMX is going to do good. I got quite a bit of it myself, man. Damn, we got a real life poem battle popping for real, man. For real, it's getting crazy in here, Miss NFT Queen. Late Sunday night / Monday, early Monday morning. Just got a poetry battle going. Harry versus Fiverr. Who's gonna win? Who is gonna win? Guys, I can't believe the stream tonight, man. I am freaking pumped. We were over 100 viewers at one point, man. I guess it pays to cover like breaking news to help unite some people and talk about the bullshit that's going on. So this is cool, man. Appreciate everybody here. If y'all haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please subscribe. Come back and hang out again. Get in the chats and hang out. Everybody's cool here, man. We got new people adding all the time, and all the OGs that are here, they're all cool as hell. We're welcoming. We're just trying to grow the space and unite more crypto folk from around the world. Yeah, Chalka. Yeah, I'm pumped, man. My channel is only 2 months old, for cripe's sake. And it's grown so fast. So I'm humbled. I really am. I feel really fortunate about it. Feel free to drop by. The door is open for a coffee and a chat. Absolutely. Yep, doors open for a coffee and a chat. I don't know anybody in real life like that I see on a normal basis that is into crypto. So there's like nobody here to talk to about crypto. TX, your watch hours got to be off the charts after this stream. Man, they should be lazy. We should be sitting real close to that monetization, man. I'm excited about it. Search Celsius and filtered for a live stream. This was the first and only one. Yeah, exactly, Swift Kick. Like nobody's covering it, man. That's why I cover some of the other stuff that I cover too. Like I'm real bullish on the Kronos blockchain. I think that they've got a bright future. And I cover the shit out of some Kronos stuff. And I feel like, not a lot of people are covering it. So when it blows up, my channel will explode with it. But just covering like headline news stuff like this, I mean, I'm just literally talking about what the messages show or like what the headlines show and looking at the charts and stuff. And it's just cool to get everybody together. So maybe it'll help some people that are in Celsius not feel as freaking bad, seeing that there's other people hurting too, man. That's awesome, TX. You're doing great, bro. Appreciate it, man. Speaking of Kronos, bullish on Kronos, Crocoin General also has a channel, a crypto channel. Crocoin General is the name of the channel. He covers Kronos stuff, and I had him on the show the other day, man. He was in here hanging out. It's another bullish Kronos fellow YouTuber. Wait, WSJ breaking story. WSJ breaking story. WSJ. I'm tired. I can't think of what WSJ is. Shaman says that Miss NFT Queen said that guy had a hairy ass crack and wanted to hire a lazy Jedi to use his lightsaber and crypto. I had to burn it off. Lazy told her it'll cost a lot more than a Fiverr. Fiverr can't rhyme or write poems. Just use the names to make something readable. Exactly. Yep. Fiverr's not the rhymer. He's just the name guy. He uses everybody's name in the chat and make it a readable story. Crypto market cap on TradingView now below 1 trillion, first time since January 21st. Really? Spinning it actually hit below 1 trillion, huh? Man, there's been a lot of people calling it that it would drop below. Oh, Wall Street Journal. That's right. Wall Street Journal. I'm retarded. I'm just tired because it's 1 o'clock in the morning. And I did almost a 2-hour stream earlier before this one too. And I was on a couple Twitter spaces. It's been a long day. I was looking to see. I got the old Wall Street Journal pulled open here. We'll see if there's anything interesting it shows. Did it just change pages? Oh no. Ukraine fears defeat in East without surge in military aid. Earnings are under threat. Darkening outlook for stocks. Microsoft and Target are among companies warning their results will be lower than expected. So stock market's fixing to absolutely dump today too. Bitcoin revisits late 2020 levels. That's the main news articles. Man, everything's just crazy. The economy and everything, man. Token Do Kwon is down 27% in the last hour. Apparently, people aren't done burning their cash. Jesus. Will it ever end? Not giving up the crown without a fight. I pulled the plug at a loss. Did you, Grumpy? Better than more of a loss, I would imagine. You know what I mean? Forever, you're the champ. You're the OG. I think we all agree TX is the leader of our group. Man, there's Chronos people that are bigger in the space than me for sure. I think anyway. I'm not sure who covers Chronos a lot. There's not really anybody that covers it much, is it? Now that I come to think of it, Crocoin, there's really not. I guess that's why I decided to do it, because nobody else was doing it. There's probably somebody out there that's covering Chronos quite a bit other than me, you. The guy I had on today was Winslow Banks. He's a Chronos guy, but he's more in the meme coin, like the degen stuff, not like the covering main crypto projects, like the top main ones. Crocoin in general, what's up, bro? Every ass crack needs their fiver. Yeah, exactly. Yep. You champ also, Harry. Without Harry ass cracks, there'd be no Bigfoot or Chewbacca's, and I'm sure a lot of OG guys all have hairy ass cracks. Tips hat. Do you see Bill Gates swapping IT assets to other commodities? I don't know. I haven't followed really what Bill Gates does that much. Do any of y'all swapping IT assets to other commodities? I personally don't. That's my thought, though. What do you think, Jose? You're an awesome addition to the clever club. However, has been the only one to entertain the chat. Yep, we needed another clever one in the space. People hate Matt Damon now. Yeah, right? Seriously. Damn crypto.com, losing all my damn money in the crypto market. Matt Damon, to hell with you, bro. Massive economic crash is coming. Food and energy prices will keep rising. Middle Eastern war will send oil to $300 a barrel. Carl Holt, how's it going, man? Thanks for joining the chat. Yeah, I keep hearing that, the $300 a barrel mark. Yeah, I think it's going to get worse before it gets better. The food and energy, it is insane. The price hikes. Like, I don't know how the average family is surviving these price increases, man. I don't know how they're going to afford to do it. They can't. That's the thing. That's what I keep saying. Like, the housing market's the last thing to collapse because it takes a while to get behind on payments to where you start losing houses and shit. 6 months to a year, basically. Um, so that puts it at whenever the economy gets to a really low point, it'll be another 6 months to a year before the housing market really catches the same effect. So I think a year from now, man, the housing market's not going to be good at all, man. The old foreclosures are going to start going through the roof, man. It sucks, but I feel that's the truth. Everything crypto mainly covers Chronos. Yeah. I cover everything crypto. I cover a little bit anything that I believe in or like. I cover, man. I cover a lot of Chronos stuff, but I do. I mean, I probably talk about other stuff just as much, if not more. BNB. I put a poll on Twitter today. I said, which blockchain would y'all like me to start covering more? The four options were Avalanche, Solana, Phantom with an F, Phantom Network, and Polygon. The last time I looked, people wanted me to start covering Polygon stuff. So figure I'll add some more content into the mix, man. Start covering another blockchain, see what they got going in their ecosystems. Janet Yellen just said the Celsius bank run is transitory. Really? Let's see if I can spot that. Yeah, I think Celsius is in big trouble, man. I think they're in big trouble. Matt Damon got the bag off that commercial. Hell yeah, dude. I bet he got paid a shit ton of money for that. Bill Gates selling IT related stocks, the fourth most richest man. I heard something like follow the whales. I wonder. Yeah. Follow the whales, man. Follow the whales. Gas went up where I live, but only 11. It was $9.31 fiber in Alaska. Holy shit. That's insane. I heard my name, WTF. What's up, Matt Damon? How's it going, man? Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the stream, bud. John Vito. That was a joke. Janet Yellen is probably asleep. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, she's probably asleep. What's up, Cardano? I like Cardano too. It's cheap. I hear a lot of people dogging on Cardano, man. Just dogging on it. But I mean, I think Cardano will make some money. Dude, pretty much anything that survives right now is as cheap as it is. Damn near anything is going to make money at some point right now. Everyone loves Matt Damon. Dude, Matt Damon's awesome. I can't remember what I watched last night, a Matt Damon movie. Fortune favors the brave. Y'all are quick with the name changes. I know, right? Dude, people change names in like 2 seconds. Oh yeah, Good Will Hunting. That's an awesome movie. Did they delay of the merge cause this? Did the delay of the merge? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it had anything to do with it or not. Steak and shake. I said steak and earn. Celsius with 2 million users. This would screw the crypto market immensely. This would be worse than Terra Luna. Yeah, dude, that's a hell of a network, isn't it? Celsius 2.0 maybe coming, man. I'm just super curious for the US markets to open, like people to be awake US wise. I guess anywhere really, but US wise, just to see the reaction to all this, man. Fork it like Quan. Everybody do like Quan. If Bitcoin price falls more, Bitcoin miners will not be profitable, then these mining companies will be in trouble. Yeah, exactly. That's what somebody was saying before too. Like any mining, any kind of mining, if they're not profitable and then they start selling anything, then the price is going to dump even more. It's not just one coin. Cardano, yeah. I think that's what you're talking about, right? Are you talking about the Celsius network? Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's an entire network, man. It's an entire ecosystem. Like there's going to be a lot of projects that could be in trouble because of Celsius. Greg Davis, fork it like Quan should be a bump. Hell yeah, fork it like Quan. That'd be a great bumper sticker. Cheap used GPUs. Yeah, that's true. You can get some cheap used ones, man. It's talking about, yeah, Celsius. Yeah, there's a lot of a trickle effect of a bunch of stuff that's going to be affected by that. I'm going to do more research in the morning. I'll do another stream tomorrow, maybe at like noon Pacific noon Central Standard Time, somewhere around there. Maybe not right at noon, but somewhere around there. I'm going to do a bunch of research in the morning, jump on and cover it some more. Maybe even in the morning, if I've got some free time to do it. Do you like Chainlink? Jacob, I don't know a lot about Chainlink. There's so much stuff I just haven't researched everything. I've always wanted to look more into Chainlink, but I don't know a lot about it. That's something I should look more into. I'm gonna write it down. There's just so much stuff. I could spend 24 hours a day researching stuff and still not cover everything. But yeah, Chainlink is definitely something I should dig into more. 2008 oil prices went above 130 and everything crashed. It's happening again. Oil prices determine the market futures. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, and the market crashed when they went over 130. Can you imagine what the market would do if oil prices go to 250 or 300? Holy hell, man. It's crazy. Just checking to see if there's any other updates or anything. I doubt it. No, just from 4 hours ago. That's crazy. Have a good night, everyone. Talk to y'all tomorrow. They were talking about a reset and cleanse in the market, but not to reset me. I hold only coins in top 15 too. So sad. Dang. Yeah, resetting all of us, man. Yeah, good night, Chaka. And guys, I think I'm going to end it too. It's 1:25 a.m. here. I am tired. I need to get some sleep. Is there any crypto coin that invests in commodities market? Not that I know of. Not that I know of, Carl. Not that I'm aware of. But yeah, I think, guys, I hate to end it, but I got to get some sleep. It's pretty late here, 1:30 a.m. Y'all, again, hit the like button. Freemason said good stream. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate it. It's been a fun stream. 2 hours and 45 minutes. Thanks for the talk. Good night or day. Yeah, thank you. Y'all hit the like and subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Come back. I'll definitely at some point have a Celsius stream either in the morning or noonish. So y'all are welcome to come back and hang out, or come check out some of my other streams too. I've got an AMA with a new project on Chronos tomorrow, and then I've got another stream. Oh, I'm just doing a live stream of a project that's launching in the DeFi space, Pixel. So I just figured I'd stream the launch just so people could gather and check it out, see what happens with everything. Night, everyone. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We'll end it with this. Shaman says that Matt Damon was saving Private Ryan from Jason Bourne from being the Departed. Also went on some rounders and have Goodwill Hunting. Martin at Stillwater. That's awesome. That's a good mix there. NATO Nation. Good night, everyone. All right, guys. I am checking out. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Hope to see the OGs and a bunch of the new faces again tomorrow or today, later today. So y'all have a good night. We'll catch you on the next one. I appreciate everyone. Peace.